Still struggling to remove background in Photoshop? Stop wasting your time. This is the easiest way in 2026 to remove any background in Photoshop. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. First we will import the image in Photoshop. For that, go to File, then click on Open and then select the image whose background you want to remove. After that, make sure that you are on the Layers panel, and if your image layer is locked, simply click on the lock icon to unlock it. Now click on the Select option, then click on Subject. Now it will take some time to process. And yes, you can see the object is selected now. Now just press Ctrl+Shift+I on your keyboard and click on Delete button. And see, your background is removed. Let's add a beautiful background behind the image. Just go to Google. I am searching for a sky background. You can use whatever background you want. I am choosing this background. Now I will insert the background I downloaded. Here it is. And yes, it is done and it is looking really nice. We will just color grade this picture a bit and it will look perfect. So this is the first method to remove background in Photoshop. Now let's move on to the second method. Again, I am importing the same image. Now go to Quick Selection tool. Now click on Select Subject. Again, it will take a moment to process the object. Now again, your object is selected. Now again, press Ctrl+Shift+I and click on Delete. And boom, your background is removed. Now you can add any background you want on your image. Just go to File and save your image. In this video, I only explained two methods to remove any background from your image. If you want to know about another methods, or if you want me to make a particular video on all methods to remove any background from any image, then comment Photoshop. And that is it. Perfect background removal in seconds. Follow for more easy editing tutorials and comment Photoshop if you want advanced tricks too. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.